Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Kia Sportage 2010 to 2015 years. Okay, let me introduce. They come with installation parts and screws for special head unit. This right, this left and right part. Okay, there is special cable for Kia Sportage. You can check this connector, and there are two backup camera. Original backup camera. You can check this one and this one. Original backup camera. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose the time, this Belsee, and the logo, Belsee logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Kia logo. When you back the home, it shows Kia logo. You can change this color. Any color you can adjust. You can change red, blue, gray. Any color you can set and adjust. Okay, let me back Belsee logo. Let me check the settings. All apps are here. Apps. You can check it built APK installer. You can install application from USB or SD card. Just USB cable. There are two USB cable. You can install its application. Okay. This is AUX input, amplifier, Bluetooth. This is DAB. DAB, you need to buy DAB antenna from us. This is DAB plus. Okay. And Google Maps, music. You can download the applications from Play Store, Google Play Store. It's video. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It works with just use USB, connect your phone. It works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the Bluetooth phone. You can check device number and the pin number. Let me open the Bluetooth from my phone. Okay, this is my phone. This Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Then click search button. You will get the device Galaxy S8 Plus. Connect. Your phone will get a command. Please put the 401234. Click OK. Okay. It's paired to Bluetooth to show Bluetooth icon in taskbar. Okay. You can make a free phone call. Volume. 智能客服助理快速查话费查流量，请按9。话费停止。正在接通，请稍后。You can hang up. Okay, this is Bluetooth. You can stream music from your phone. It will play automatically. Volume from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth streaming music from your phone. It's USB driver. Connect USB. It will play music automatically. USB 2. There are 2 USB cables. The amplifier. Navy button. Google Maps. It supports running Google Navigation and Maps, Google Navigation and listening music at the same time. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car settings, back, car settings. Let me check driver setting. Turn on the watch video. It's 4K Diamond 4K Samsung 4K video. Okay, that's all. This is for Zenlink, Android Auto and CarPlay. Let me check the settings. About machine, you can check MCU volume and CPU octa-core memory size 4GB, hardware PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, we're back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.